Assalamu alaikum dear students. We were studying the chapter number 3, natural vegetation. Today we will study question number 2. Explain the suitable factors for the growth of natural vegetation.
Definition of natural vegetation. Plant communities emerge in natural surrounding with the interaction of relief, climate and soil, primarily due to nature rather than human economic activity are called natural vegetation. Suitable factor for the growth of natural vegetation. Natural vegetation distributed unevenly in the world because various factors are responsible for the growth of natural vegetation like climate. Climate plays key role in the growth of natural vegetation and an important factor of distribution of natural vegetation. Temperature. Temperature plays an important role in the growth of natural vegetation. Moderate temperature is really suitable for the growth of natural vegetation, while too hot and harsh climate is not suitable for the growth of natural vegetation. Rainfall.
Rainfall barsha.
Rainfall is also another factor responsible for the growth of natural vegetation. Rainforests are the best example of it. Scanty of rainfall causes thorny, bushy, and grassy vegetation. Soil. Soil is another factor for the growth of natural vegetation. Different type of soil affect the growth of plants. Plants absorb their basic necessities for growth from soil, so different plants grow in different type of soil. Equatorial distance. Equatorial distance also affects the growth, types, distribution, and nature of natural vegetation because near the equator temperature and rainfall is sufficient for plant growth, so near the equator forests are thick while at distance their density becomes low.
इक्वेटोरियल डिस्टेंस का क्या मतलब है? इक्वेटर का मतलब होता है कि उर्दू में इसको कहते हैं ख़त्ते इस्तिवा. ख़त्ते इस्तिवा वो लाइन है जो ज़मीन को दो हिस्सों में तकसीम कर रही होती है. तो इक्वेटोरियल डिस्टेंस का ये मतलब है कि वो फॉरेस्ट जो कि इक्वेटर के नज़दीक होते हैं वहाँ पर टेम्परेचर बेहतर होता है और रेनफॉल सफिशेंट होती है, इसलिए वहाँ पर प्लांट ग्रोथ भी ज़्यादा होती है. बट द फॉरेस्ट अवे फ्रॉम द इक्वेटर आर not as their density is less as compared to the forests which are near to the equator. Next, physical
feature. Physical feature also affects the growth, distribution, and types of forests. Plain areas, plateaus, and mountains have different type of natural vegetation. Steep slopes are not suitable, while gentle slopes are suitable for plant growth.
altitude.
Altitude also affects the distributional pattern of natural vegetation. The density of natural vegetation increases with the change of altitude. Altitude changes their nature and also type also. Sunlight. Sunlight is an important factor for photosynthesis. In this process, plants make chlorophyll for the vegetative growth, so sunlight affects the density and growth of natural vegetation. Winds. Storms and high speed of wind decreases the growth of natural vegetation, while moderate type of winds is suitable for the growth of natural vegetation. Human influence. Human influence also affects the distributional pattern of natural vegetation. They mostly clear the land area for commercial purpose and natural vegetation decreases day by day.
ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हम बाद में करेंगे. इट्स एनफ फॉर टुडे.